The blues scale is used often in jazz and in improvisation. It is similar to the major and minor scales, but there are some differences. The first one is instead of 8 notes in the scale, the blues scale only has 7. The second big difference is that the third and the fourth note each have the same letter name. The fourth note will be a little bit higher than the third, though, by a half step. Normally, the first blues scale that students learn is the B flat blues scale. The first note of a B flat blues scale is B flat. The second note is D flat. The third note is E flat. And the fourth note, being the same letter name, is E natural. The fifth note is F. The sixth note is A flat. And the final note is B flat. The interval between the first two notes, the B flat and the D flat, is a minor third. The interval between the second and the third note, the D flat and the E flat, is a whole step. The interval between the third and the fourth note, the E flat and the E natural, is a half step. The interval between the fourth and the fifth note, the E and the F, is a half step. The interval between the fifth and the sixth note, the F and the A flat, is a minor third. And the interval between the sixth and the seventh note, the A flat and the B flat, is a whole step. That is our formula for every blues scale. Let's erase the B-flat blues scale, and let's use the same formula to write our C blues scale. The first note is C. The second note is a minor third higher than C, which is E flat. The next note is a whole step higher than E flat, which is F. The next note has the same letter name, so the next note is an F, but it is a half step higher, F sharp. The fifth note is a half step higher than F sharp, which is G. The sixth note is a minor third higher than G, which is B flat. And the seventh note is a whole step higher than B flat, which is C. And there you have your C blues scale. We're going to do one more example by starting just below the staff with our low F to write our F blues scale. The first note is F, just below the staff. The second note is a minor third higher than F, which is A flat. The third note is a whole step higher than A flat, which is B flat. The fourth note is the same letter name, so it is B, and because it's a half step higher, it's a B natural. The fifth note is a half step higher than B, which is C. The sixth note is a minor third higher than C, which is E flat, and the last note is a whole step higher than E flat, which is F. There is your F blues scale.